Have you ever opened your WhatsApp and seen messages you didn't send? Or maybe your friends are complaining about receiving strange links from your account. It sounds scary, right? Well, it could mean your WhatsApp has been hacked. But don't panic. Today, I will show you exactly how to identify, recover, and prevent hackers from hacking your WhatsApp account. By the end of this video, you will learn 1. How to know if your WhatsApp is hacked. 2. How to recover a hacked WhatsApp account step by step. 3. How to prevent future hacks on your WhatsApp. 4. I will give you a bonus tip about ultimate hacks detection tricks. Stick around to the end of this video. I'm Bade Paderoyin from Batch Guide. Let's get started. Let's start with how to know if your WhatsApp is hacked. Here are some clear warning signs to watch out for. 1. Unusual activities. Are your friends receiving messages from you that you didn't send? That is a red flag. Hackers often send spam or phishing links from hacked accounts. You might also notice messages in your chats that you didn't remember sending or receiving. 2. Login alert. If you get a notification that says your WhatsApp is being used on a new device and you didn't do it, that is a huge warning sign. Even if you don't receive the notifications, hackers might bypass this by hiding their activities. Always check your linked device manually. 3. Strange changes. If your profile pictures or status on your WhatsApp change on its own, or chats are achieved or deleted without your input, that is another big red flag. Hackers may also block or remove your contact without your knowledge. Number 4. Battery drain or data usage. Have you noticed your battery running out faster or your mobile data being consumed abnormally? Hackers sometimes use spyware to monitor your activities. Check your phone settings for apps using excessive data or running in the background unnecessarily. If any of these are happening to you, don't worry. Let's move on how to recover a hacked WhatsApp account step by step. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Tap the 3 dots bar on your right corner. Then press linked devices and log out of any device you don't recognize. This will immediately stop hackers from accessing your account. It is a good idea to log out of all devices and then you link only the device you trust. If you are unable to log into your account, don't worry. Keep to the second step. Step 2. Let your friends and family know about the hack. Warn them not to click on suspicious links or respond to strange messages from your account. If the hacker has sent phishing messages, ask your contacts to block and report them. Step 3. Uninstall WhatsApp and then restore it. When prompted, enter your phone number to get a new OTP. Verify your account again. This forces any unauthorized session to end on your WhatsApp. If you can't receive the OTP, it is possible the hacker changed your number. Contact WhatsApp support immediately. You can contact WhatsApp through the 2 options I will explain below. Option 1. Contact WhatsApp via the app. Open WhatsApp on your device. Tap the three-dot bar on your right corner. Then press Help. A box will pop up. In that box, write a detailed message explaining that your account has been hacked. In your message, include your phone number in the international format. When you lost access and any suspicious activity you notice, if possible, include screenshots of any error messages or suspicious activity. Now, here is a detailed message template you can use to report the issues to WhatsApp support. On the template, subject, under subject, write urgent, my WhatsApp account has been hacked. Then you write, dear WhatsApp support team, I am writing to report that my WhatsApp account has been compromised and I have lost access to it. Below are the details of the incident. Phone number. Then you write your phone number in international format, e.g. +234 8564 567890. Then you write date and time of losing access, a start date and approximate time, e.g. December 5, 2024 at around 3:00 p.m. Then suspicious activities observed. Then you write this. I received a suspicious message to code before losing access, or my contact informed me that they received unusual or unauthorized messages from my account, or I noticed other suspicious activities such as being logged out unexpectedly. Use any of this suspicious activity you observe from out of these ones. This is an urgent matter as I am concerned about the misuse of my account and the privacy of my contacts. Please take immediate steps to secure my account and help me regain access. I am willing to provide any additional information or verification you may need. Thank you for your prompt assistance. I look forward to your response. Best regards. After the best regard, write your full name, your email address. If applicable, you can do that if you want. Option 2. Contact WhatsApp through email. Compose an email to WhatsApp support. Open your email app. Address the email to support@whatsapp.com. Use a clear subject like my WhatsApp account has been hacked. Urgent assistance needed. Your message content should include your phone number with your country code, a description of the problem, detail of any suspicious activity. Then mention that you are unable to access your account, and also include screenshots of error messages or any proof that you are the legitimate owner of the number. You can also use the same template I provided above. Is in option 1. If you suspect the hacker is actively misusing your account, then email to WhatsApp support at support@whatsapp.com with the subject line lost or stolen. Please deactivate my WhatsApp account. Also include your phone number in international format. This will temporarily deactivate your account. You can reactivate it later by logging in. Once you have done the above steps, monitor the response from WhatsApp. WhatsApp support typically replies within 24 to 48 hours. Follow their instructions carefully. They might ask for additional verification to confirm ownership of the account. After recovering your WhatsApp account, enable two-step verification. You can do this by opening WhatsApp on your phone. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Then select Settings. After that, select Privacy or Account, depending on your version. Tap on two-step verification. Then tap Enable. Create a 6-digit PIN that you remember and confirm it. Optionally, provide your email address for account recovery in case you forget your PIN. Choose a strong PIN that is not easily guessable. Do not share your PIN with anyone. If you provide an email address, ensure it is a secured and accessible one. Once enabled, WhatsApp will occasionally prompt you to enter your PIN to ensure you remember it. With these steps, your account should be back in your hand. But how can you prevent this from happening again? Okay, let's move to the next section on how to prevent future hacks on your WhatsApp. As we all know, that prevention is always better than cure. Here are some simple but powerful ways to prevent your WhatsApp from future hacks. Number 1. Enable two-step verification. Yes, I am mentioning this again because it is very important. It adds an extra layer of security to your account. Make it a habit to update your PIN regularly and ensure your recovery email is secure. 2. Avoid public Wi-Fi. Public Wi-Fi might be convenient, but it is a playground for hackers. Avoid logging into WhatsApp or any sensitive account on public networks. If you must use public Wi-Fi, consider using a VPN to encrypt your connection. 3. Never share OTPs. Your WhatsApp verification code is like a key to your account. Never share it with anyone, no matter who they claim to be. Even if someone pretends to be from WhatsApp support, do not fall for it. WhatsApp will never ask for your OTP. Number 4. Be cautious with links. Don't click on links from unknown senders. Hackers often use phishing links to steal your credentials. If a link looks suspicious, always verify it with the sender before clicking. Number 5. Keep WhatsApp updated. Make sure you are always using the latest version of WhatsApp. Updates often include critical security fixes. Enable auto updates on your phone so you never miss an important patch. This tip will make it almost impossible for anyone to hack your account. But before we wrap it up, let me share one bonus tip that many people don't know about. The bonus tip is how to set up a biometric lock for your WhatsApp account. To set up this, open the WhatsApp app on your smartphone. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. In the Settings menu, select Privacy. Scroll down to find the option for Add More Protection to your account. Once you are there, tap App Lock and turn on Unlock with Biometric. After enabling the biometric lock, WhatsApp allows you to select the timing for automatic locking, such as 1. Immediately. This requires biometric authentication every time you open WhatsApp. 2. 1 minute. Once selected, your WhatsApp will be locked after 1 minute of inactivity. 3. 30 minutes. Once selected, your WhatsApp will be locked after 30 minutes of inactivity. So, Select your preferred option based on your privacy needs. Once you are done with the steps, close your WhatsApp completely and open the app. You should now see a prompt to unlock WhatsApp using your fingerprint. Setting up the biometric lock is quick and greatly enhance your privacy by preventing unauthorized access to your chat. If you find this video helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and help them secure their WhatsApp account too. And please, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more easy tips and tricks to keep you safe online. Also, let me know in the comments if you have had any experience with WhatsApp security issues and how you dealt with them. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.